Hey, back in the kitchen with P.D. Atwood. I'm making some fried potatoes. What I did was as you see these potatoes, I had run them through this little chopper thing that we got. And I put some grease in here. Some people don't call these fried potatoes. Anyways, here's some of the parts to this thing. What I do is I put this on top. This thing fits in there, and just like so. And then this thing goes over it. Okay, and it pushes them down through there. Cuts them, saves you from having to try and cut them with a knife. Anyways, and then we just I'm just using this oil right here, not getting real fancy or anything. And this burner is just a little bit off kilter, so I just got to kind of turn the plate or the pan like that. I get them all in the grease, and just kind of turn them, and anyways, I'm not going to make any meat tonight. I'm just going to have some fried taters, and I'll put ketchup on them. One good thing to have with these is like onions or something like that. But anyways, this is how I'm going tonight. Anyways, I appreciate you coming into the kitchen with me again. I'm down 40 pounds now. 40 pounds since July. And I just keep going. So anyways, hey, if you like this video, I appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. And have a good day.